一阴一阳之谓道，紫气东来。明码标价的那些物，非黑即白。若上颁奖台，切莫张灯结彩。
Good morning. Right now it is like 4:30 and we're gonna airport. Actually no, we're going out at 5. We have to get there by like 6 o'clock. Oh my god, I look so tired. Are you kidding me? Just when I leave. Hell yeah. Good morning everybody. So today we are going to fly to Shanghai as layover. So this is our oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Guys, we're in Shanghai. We're going Shanghai. We're gonna go to our second flight now. Okay, so this is our room. So first we have the absolutely amazing bathroom. That's me. Okay, and then we have the wet mirror. And then we have the 2 beds.
Oh yeah, I'm sleeping on the right side. Actually no, this one's closer to the bathroom.
Okay, and then they have like a resting area. And they have a desk of Guizhou. So yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
高速路现在是修得相当的好的，在04年的时候，多彩贵州啊，这。
Okay guys, so right now we are going to this one pond, Guiyang pond. After that we're gonna go to Miao Village. Guys, we're currently at the entrance of where we should take the shuttle bus to the actual village. Now we're gonna eat some lamb skewers. They're real good. It was only like $1 for 1 skewer too. Okay, bye. So we're at the room. I'm gonna take photos.
一个手出来，让我看看你的手。对，但你站得太直了，稍微往这边借你一点点。哎，对，不要那么直。好，不许动，小姐姐，站在上面。对，好了，就这。
Location change. So we're at the room right now. It is so cold. I'm wearing a 2-piece. And they did my eye. Good morning everybody. Today, oh my god, what is this piece of hair, bro? Why is she so different like that? Today is our 3rd day here, Guizhou, and today we are going to explore the village. So we found like this cafe that was like the view is insane. but we're eating ice cream right now.
佢啲湯好似好清。
And my parents are like eating like this.
，They can eat whatever they want. We're eating ice cream.
Also, I got a new tripod, so now I can film stuff. I got this like yoga drink.
Yeah, Mom had to crash out at me.
From the yoga cow. It's really good. I like purple rice and stuff. Okay guys, so what's happening right now is we're taking the ride back to Guiyang.
4 hours.
4 hours. Hey guys, so we just arrived at the hotel again, like from the same hotel from the first day. Yeah, we're gonna check it now.
8块，记得6块。啊，記得6塊加啦。快嘅獎。
Bro, that is what we need to walk. And we're only here. Are you kidding me? Me and my sister wanted burgers, so we might get burgers or we might just follow our parents to eat at the same restaurant. Ooh. Okay, so this is our burger. It is literally that's embarrassing. It is literally so good.
You got the spicy one. I got the mild one. She got Pepsi. I got 7-Up. She got what's this called again?
Oh, just drumsticks.
Drumsticks, and then I got nuggets. But we were sharing.
These are only like $20 for a meal.
But like it's like in Chinese dollars. It's like a lot cheaper in Australia.
Yeah.
No Pepsi.
Okay guys, so we're at the ancient village and it's very tourist attraction vibes. It's literally 11 a.m. right now and we got ice cream.
We got matcha.
I got milk. It doesn't taste like milk flavor at all. So we're now in the marketplace. It's very lively. I don't know. Hi guys, so we're currently at the hot pot place. Wait, what the hell? And this place is so nice. It's literally upstairs and like it's literally
我们先点这个，然后看看。
Wanting to go to hot pot since I don't know, like ever since we've been planning this trip. So it's like really really happy.
你無知。哦。你推上去就。
Good morning guys. Today is our last morning in Guizhou and we're gonna take the high-speed train to Chengdu. I think it comes at like 11ish and then we have to leave the house at like 9 because it takes like an hour to get there.